Okay, this is Dr. Jerry Cuomo. I'm back live here. I'm just with this rescue case, a 3-eye Biomet, and I did manage to get the screw to move. We did pre-soak with tartar and stain remover, and we did a full turn on this. So you can start to see the shiny part of the fracture. I'm staying right on top of that, and see if we can just turn this a little bit more. So coaxing gently, and see if it'll come just a little bit more. So getting moisture going down there. It's a little hard to work because you got, some oozing going on in here. I'm going to go ahead and pre-soak it again because as it's moving, it's bringing debris with it, and that is evident. So you just keep pre-soaking as much as you can as you're maintaining the integrity here of the site, and visual is key. We're up to 20 magnification, so while that's soaking, I'm going to see if I can just manipulate it a little bit more, and trust me, the solution is going past the threads, and it's going in there, and we already got it, like I said, a complete turn on it. So let's get it to move a little bit more. There it is, see? There we go. Wow, another quarter. Keep going in that direction, even though it looks clockwise on the video. It's counterclockwise. Everything is opposite because we're using indirect vision. All right, very good. It's coming up slowly but surely. Okay, so yeah, intermittent pre-soaking, same direction. Just a lot of obstructions here. I wish we had a longer Explorer, but this is an endo Explorer, so it's the longest one made in dentistry. I don't know if they make anything longer unless you custom make it, which gives me another idea. All right, so pre-soak again. We're about an hour into it now. We managed to get the abutment out. Now we're getting the screw fragment out. Our patient's waiting here with his mouth open. He's doing a great job, and make this happen here. Okay. So some of the exudate and inflammation around where the abutment was kind of still hanging out a little bit. So we haven't treated the gums at all. We haven't given him any anesthetic. What's happening is every time I touch the side with the instrument, the fluid goes right down to the site. So I got to try to go in there without touching the side. Let's see if I can pull just a little more of a right angle into the instrument. Let's get one more full turn, shall we? Okay. I got to keep the visual. Okay. Now, it's almost time to bring in the other suction. My biggest fear now is there anything else in there that might be inhibiting us from unscrewing that? You would think by now I would start to see it up. It did turn a full turn. Okay. Pre-soak it again. I guess we could have measured it with the periodontal probe from the crest, but my biggest fear is this tissue starts to collapse and I have issues. We're just trying to, trying to get this out before the collapse, okay. Hold on. We're going to come back. I'll videotape a little bit more.